Hi all, in this video I will show you how the RPM and instantaneous fuel consumption through gears 4 to 8 is for my BMW F11 530d Xdrive. It has the 8-speed automatic transmission, 8 HP 70, from ZF. But before we go into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I can get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you. So to the video. I will go from gear 8 to 4, then back to gear 8. I'm shifting manually with the steering wheel paddle shifters. The road is as straight and flat as possible.